Generally, when speaking about permission, we choose either of these. But which one? Don't worry, that doubt is going to be clear in this video. Hey guys, this is Pratibha and welcome to Beyond the Books Learning. We are here to discuss about two modal verbs, may and can, and how to use them. So, if you don't want to miss that, watch the video till the end. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't, that would be really great. And yes, please press the bell icon so that you never miss an update from this channel. Also, please like the video, share it with your friends and family so that they can also learn with you. Alright, I hope you have subscribed to the channel and liked the video. And I guess now we're good to go. The usages of these two verbs. So both are used to talk about permission, but which one to choose? To learn that, you need to understand their nature. Can is informal in nature, whereas may is formal. Okay, so to talk about permission in a formal setup, we use may, whereas in the informal environment, we use can. Still, it's a little tricky. I'm still not able to choose either of these. Can we do something? I have a common example which is used to explain the difference between when to use can and when to use may. The common example goes like, a student raises hand in the class to ask the teacher, "Ma'am, can I go to the washroom?" And the teacher responds, "I don't know, can you?" Now, why did the teacher respond that way? She responded that way because can is generally used to talk about ability to do something. Ability means to be able or not to be able to do something. So for example, obviously teacher is not doubting your ability to go to washroom. Yes, you're able to go to washroom, or maybe you're not, but that's totally on you, right? So here she's not doubting your ability. But since you're asking for permission, you have to be a little cautious. And that is why may I go to the washroom would be the perfect way to ask. Because we ask for permission in the classroom so that nobody gets disturbed, right? So that is why we're asking for a permission. And that is why you use may. Now, what would you choose if you want to drink water? Can I drink water? May I drink water? If you're saying may I drink water, perfectly fine. What if I want to use can? Can I drink water? Yes, you can, because both are talking about permission, right? But since may has been used to talk about permission way before can started to do so, we use may often and frequently. But you should remember, in reality, we use can more frequently, and like we crave to use can when we are talking about permission, because it's used very frequently in informal speech. That is the reason. And may is a little formal. So if you want to be polite and you don't want to sound rude and you're confused which one to choose, go for may. Use may. And that's going to be helpful for you. Right? Now, there are many other situations and in which we use these two modal verbs, and now we're going to have a look at them. But before that, let's see some example sentences of can and may describing permission. "Excuse me, ma'am, may I drink water? May I borrow that book of yours? Can I take that book? Can I sit beside you?" Now, there you go. You try to make some sentences, and I'm sure now you are, not confused anymore. Just remember their nature. If you learn their nature, you will be able to choose either of these according to the situation. So, can, it's informal in nature, may, formal in nature. Now let's see some more situations in which you can use these two. So another situation is ability. When you want to describe the ability to do something, what is ability? To be able or not able to do something, or to be capable of doing something or not capable of doing it. So in that situation you use can, like it's generally used to describe the ability. But you can also use may. Yes, it's as simple as that. You just need to remember, but generally we use may to talk about permission. The same goes for can. We generally use it to talk about ability. So let's see some example sentences. I can speak 4 languages. I can dance, but I cannot sing. Now here I'm telling you what I am able or not able to do. So it depends on the ability of a person to do something. Now you can also use may, right? Let's understand it with the help of example. I may not be able to make it on time today. So here I'm also talking about ability. But here I'm trying to be a little formal and polite. Okay? Informal, it's not that you're rude. You use it when you're around your friends or people of your same age, or maybe around your family members. You can use it. But you use may in a formal setup, right? I may not be able to make it on time. I cannot do it. I cannot come on time, I guess. So both are describing the ability to do something, right? So that is it. You just need to remember ability is used to describe to be able or not able to do something. And in that situation, you use can and may. All the best. Now try to make some example sentences and use them. Another situation, when you want to talk about possibility, you use these two verbs. Possibility. So to talk about general possibility of near future, you use can. Whereas when you want to talk about a little strong possibility of something but not that certain, you use may. Now how? Let's see some example sentences. Can I expect you tomorrow? Now here you're talking about a general expectation, right? General possibility. Maybe they're discussing something, they have a plan of doing something tomorrow, so he's just saying, can I expect you tomorrow? The more specific possibility, it goes like, the weather is cloudy, it may rain today. Now here, it's not general, it's a little more specific but not that certain. So here you're using may. So now it's clear, to talk about general possibility, choose can, and to talk about possibility which is a little stronger but not that certain, choose may. When you want to talk about wishes and hopes, you use may. May you have a good day. May God bless you. Now this is very general, right? We all do that. We don't say you can, right? Can you? No. Obviously, he is capable of finding happiness, but still, you're here, you're wishing that person that please stay happy, right? And may you find happiness. It means he's just hoping that person to find happiness, right? You're not talking about ability. That is why you don't use can and you use may. To talk about suggestions and offer, you use can. For example, can I help you if you don't mind? Since blue suits you, you can wear blue t-shirt and not pink. Now here I was just giving a suggestion to the person. And in the first example, in the previous one, I was just giving an offer. Like that, if you want my help, I can help you, right? So that goes like that. So these are the situations in which we use may and can. All you need to remember is their nature. Can is formal or informal? You have 3 seconds to answer this one. 3, 2, 1. Correct, it's informal. What about may? 3, 2, 1. It's formal. Good. Now, can we use may and can to talk about ability to do something? Yes, we can. We just need to remember the nature, informal and formal. Can we use can and may to talk about permission? Yes, very good. Keep going, You're doing great. You just need to practice. Okay, one more. Can we use can to talk about wishes and hopes? No, we use may, and that's great. It's really easy. It's as easy as pie. You just need to practice. And I hope that now you're able to find the difference between these two. I mean, there is no difference. You just need to learn their nature and the context in which you can use them. That's the simple trick. Remember where you are, in which setup you are, and then choose accordingly. That's the trick to remember these two and how to use them. And now try to make some more example sentences without my help. If you have still doubt, just go back, watch this video as many times as you want until your all doubts are clear. But if you still have doubt, you can just write down in the comment section, or you can send a mail to me on the Gmail ID that is written in my description box, or you can send a DM to me on my Instagram handle. It's there in the description box. You can find it below. So just practice, and yes, if you like the video, do let me know in the comment section which was the best part, and if it was easy or you got all confused. I mean, if you find the video useful, do let me know in the comment section. I would be really happy to see that. Please try to make some example sentences using may and can, and write down in the comment section. I'll be happy to see that. And yeah, that's it. And I really want you guys to stay happy and stay safe. Okay? Just take care, keep practicing, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Take care.